You're now watching Doorbell News.
Las Vegas, Nevada. It's about midnight. What's this guy up to?
Can I help you?
Yeah. Atlanta, Georgia. It's about 5 a.m. and this lady's outside of someone's house, but she's at the wrong house. Yeah, we're gonna get back to her in a second. Thanks a lot to Bill for sending us this video. Here's his dog Dukers jumping over the kennel that he just put in his garage. They say you can't keep a good man down, well, you can't keep a good dog down either. If you have any funny or cool doorbell clips you want to send to us, send it to us at doorbellnews@gmail.com. Good for you, Dukers. Phoenix, Arizona. Can't even have wheelbarrows anymore. A homeowner's doing some repairs, and this guy took it as an opportunity to come up on a wheelbarrow. Hey, that's my wheelbarrow. Fresno, California. This guy's creeping around someone's backyard, but seems like his stomach is hurting. Seems like he got a little gas or something. Yeah. Bro, I think he's looking for a bathroom. Because it sounds like he has a little gas going. Hey, there's no bathroom up here, buddy. Get lost! Just hanging out, eating flowers. Clovis, California. Check this guy out. Hey, what are you doing? Memphis, Tennessee. Yeah, can't even have car covers anymore. Can't leave anything nice outside. Hey, come back with my car cover.
Help you?
Meanwhile in Atlanta.
Hi, I'm so sorry. I'm kind of stranded right now, and I can't get back to my house. My house is on Spring Street right now, and I don't even know how to get back to it.
I can't help you. I'm sorry.
Is there any way that you can help?
Nope. Can't help you.
Okay.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you.
I hope you find your way home, lady. Winchester, California. Hey, wrong house. People see those welcome signs and they just think they could just walk up and walk into anyone's house.
No, it's not.
Hey, it's the wrong house. Get lost. Menifee, California. So this guy does a little dance. After he takes the package, he does a little leg feet chuckle or something. Hey, come back with that package. Bakersfield, California. So this lady walks up to someone's door. She appears to be kind of out of it. Check her out.
That sounded like you hit somebody again. Do you mind calling the the cops since I won't leave your yard? Last time you called the cops, I saw a fire in the back and it sounded like a woman got hit twice. Probably the one you blocked from the door.
Huh? What are you talking about? What is she talking about? Memphis, Tennessee. So this homeowner gets so excited to tell this guy to get lost that he breaks his own window. Check it out.
Get out of here. Get off my porch.
Hey, he was just looking for some eggs, bro. San Bernardino, California. Wouldn't want to live in that house right about now. Yeah. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you join the Doorbell News Members Only Club. Yeah, we're going to be having a lot of exclusive content coming soon. Sign up today. Yeah, just another day in San Bernardino. Colton, California. Looks like we got another farter here. This guy walks up to someone's front door, lays down a hot fart, and just walks off. Hey, this is the place to be laying down hot farts, buddy. Meanwhile, in Bakersfield, she's still outside someone's house.
I hear, please, please, don't hurt me. Just letting you know that.
Make sure you thumbs up the video and make sure you subscribe. Yeah.
She is crying. Letting you know, you could pretend that you're calling the cops, but she was alive a minute ago. She should stay alive. I heard her get hit, and you're threatening her right now. Also, I've seen your husband in that shed, so make sure the girl's alive.
This is Jen from Doorbell News. We are now offering members only exclusive content.
Become a member of Doorbell News today. Get exclusive content. Join today for exclusive access.
Become a member of Doorbell News today.
Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.